Hi again. Now, in this next video, I'm going to show you the one key thing you need to do to send out emails, which is setting up your domain. So, in the last couple of sessions, we created this email, we set up all the settings, and we also uploaded a CSV file. We've learned how to personalize the name and everything else. And here, the next thing is to set up the domain. So you can go to the domain setting right here in the settings. And now in my example, I have three domains already set up. All you have to do is click on domain, put in your domain name. Domain name is generally, example.com or whatever. You can pick the region, but this is not something that, you need to worry about. Now, depending on whether you're the type of emails you're sending, if you're sending to opted in email addresses and you want to understand open tracking, click tracking, then you can leave it as is. But if you're sending cold emails, open tracking, click tracking will reduce the likelihood of your, inbox placement. There are some, explanation in the docs that we have already. So you can search that, but you should switch them off. But I'll keep it on as default and I'll say save as. And here you will now see three things that you need to copy and paste. Basically, the we don't provide the domain name service. So in case you wanted to buy a domain, you'd probably go to GoDaddy or Namecheap, Hostinger, or many such sites that sell domains. And some of these are also listed here. Once you log into your domain provider, you need to create, two TXT records and one MX record. It's very straightforward. It takes like 5 minutes, and you need to copy the name value pair. So you go in there, you click TXT, add a new TXT record, copy the name, copy the value. Same thing that you do with the MX record, and then the TXT record again, and hit verify. On there, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and you can refresh to set the status, and you will get, this will show up as verified in green. And then your domain is set up so that you can send emails from this domain. There is much more information about all of this on our docs page. So you can go in here and you can look at how to set up a domain, what the different records are, domain status, open and click tracking that I talked about. And if the domain is not verifying, there is a bunch of information around here. There is also an FAQ around, how do I, sort of the domain is not verifying, or whether you should send emails from a domain or a subdomain. There's a whole ton of information out here in our docs page, but it's pretty straightforward to connect a domain. It's something that you should do very quickly in the process so that you can send out the emails. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, join our WhatsApp, connect with us on WhatsApp, send us an email, or set up time with me, and we'll be happy to walk you through on how to set up your domain so that now you can start creating campaign, sending out all the emails, and grow your business. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks.